pa
Oo
tuwing
nga
Wednesday.
oo, grabe.
Di ba? Ang sinabi mo, Dong, ang
Yes, sir.
tatawagan natin, yung nakapasa sa bar exam, bakit si Enchong di tinawagan mo?
Gwapo pala
Parang
yan.
Enchong di.
Siyempre, magandang lalaki, di ba? Ayan, oh. Meron
Eh, kita
tayong...
mo, attorney. Magandang hapon sa'yo, Ralph Vincent Samaniego, Salvador. Good afternoon.
afternoon
po.
Panyero.
Ayun,
Yun.
di ba? Kumpanyero, congratulations sa Idol
Thank you,
Ralph
thank you po.
Salvador Samaniego. Grabe.
Thank you po.
Ibang klase, ibang level. Panyero, Ralph,
Alas pa yata yun, number 6 lang.
number
Minal-
6 lang naman, di ba, Sir Vic? Di ba?
Gwapong-gwapo ah.
Eh, yun. Yung pa mabigat, gwapo.
Pag naging abogado ka, gwapo ka na.
Kaya
Eto,
malamang,
top-notcher pa.
Kaya malamang, Sir Vic, mapalitan na kami ni Panyero El dito kasi mas pogi sa amin tong si Panyero Ralph eh.
Teka muna, how do I call you? Ralph Vincent what?
Yeah, so my name's Ralph Vincent Samaniego, but I also do go by Rafi.
Rapi.
Ralph,
Yes, yes.
Ilan taon ka na, Rapi?
I'm 24 po.
Batang-bata ito.
Batang-bata.
Alam nyo, nung
Hindi-
araw
hindi
kumuha ako
mo-
ng exam, kaya lang hindi ako nakakuha ng bar exam. Bar
Yes,
and grill
Panyero,
ang
Rapi.
pinuntahan.
Hindi mo ba
Alright,
inabot
go ahead,
yung
Atty.
grade 11 and 12?
Ha?
Di po. Di po
Ay,
ko
di pa
inabot
niya
ng
inabot.
K-12.
Ah,
so parang
okay,
last batch po ako
oo.
nung dati pong curriculum.
Oh. Sige, interrogate nyo na.
Ayan,
Attorney-
okay.
Attorney Earl,
Siyempre,
interrogate
unang-una,
nyo.
tatanong natin
Cross-examine
kay
nyo na.
Panyero Ralph eh, saang school ka pala graduate? Yan ang mga unang
Okay.
mga tatanong dyan.
So I graduated po yung law school from UP College of Law.
Oh my
Yeah,
God.
okay. Yan.
No.
oh.
Talaga? No, my
Yes,
question,
po.
Rapi, is ano? Ano to? Were you expecting...
Yan ang
of
gusto
course,
ko
you're
tanong, Sir
expecting
Vic. Yes,
makapasa
yes.
ka. Pero yung bang top 10 ni panaginip na panaginipan mo?
Actually, talaga pong wala po in my vision na makakapag top 10 po ako because I think na every person who takes the bar, or at least most people na nagbabar po, parang yung goal lang po namin is to become lawyers, and the only
Yes,
thing you have
yes, that's
to
correct.
get there is to pass the bar. So parang yung effort po namin is really just to pass the bar. So parang icing on the cake lang po talaga yung pagiging top notcher, and I really never worked towards that. So it's really such a shock po. Such a shock po na naging top notcher din po ako.
So ako, tanong ko naman, tatanong ako.
Sige, Panyero.
Yes, Panyero, Rapi, no?
Apo.
After the bar exam, naramdaman mo ba na papasa ka talaga?
Well, I felt like after the bar exam, parang puro anxiety eh. Na parang tama ba yung mga sinagot ko? Parang super
Oo.
unsure pa ako sa sarili ko. Because parang, I mean, human nature lang po. Parang you don't get to study everything. Parang there's only so much you can study. There's only so much you can prepare for. And syempre sa bar exam, because you study so much, parang may mga di po natatamaan during study. So really, it makes you, there are some moments na parang unsure of yourself during the bar. So after the bar, these are things na parang naglilinger sa mind na parang di ko nakuha tong question, parang I could have
yes.
answered this, I could have answered that. So parang for the past 3 months, meron akong moments of anxiety because of those things na di ko po talaga alam 100%, di po ako 100% sure with.
Isa lang talaga yan, Panyero Rapi, ano? Talagang magaling ka talaga. Talagang isa kang magaling na estudyante.
Kasi-
Anyway, may katanungan ako kay Panyero naman, ano? Alam mo, ganyan kasi, Panyero Ralph, ano, since pumasa ka, hindi lang pumasa, top notcher ka pa, no? Number 6. So ito unang-unang mag-experience mo. Marami sa yung offer ngayong kaliwat kanan, left and
Sigurado.
right. Ito ang tanong ko naman sa inyo, Panyero Ralph, ano? Ano naman ang iyong plans sa future or now,
Plans now.
as plano, no, as a lawyer, no? What is your direction? Going to the government, going to the
Private
practice, corporation, or any other field of endeavor as a lawyer na you think na alam mo na doon
will
ka
best suit you.
magsisimula ganun. Ano ba yung you can please share to us naman ng mga plano mo
What
sa
is
mga
the
darating
next
na
step?
panahon?
Well, luckily for me, even before the bar exam, even before I graduated law school, I already had offers from several firms. So, among those firms that gave me offers, I signed with Accra Law, and I seek to pursue po I seek to pursue a corporate law practice with them. So I'm signed with their corporate and special project department. So what's good about that is na even before the bar exam, parang natanggalan na po yung anxiety ko about what comes after the bar exam, na I don't have to search for a job anymore. So parang the only thing I had to worry about was the bar exam. So I was very grateful to already sign with a firm even before taking the bar exam.
Alam mo, sabi nila, Attorney Earl, Attorney Dong,
Yes,
Attorney
sir.
Ron, sabi nila, pag ikaw daw ay law student, tapos lalo na kapag nagre-review ka na, marami kang namimiss sa buhay mo. Family
Yes.
gatherings, good time,
Totoo yun.
you know, alam ko, ang ibang mga lawyer, walang kahilig-hilig sa chicks. Hindi na chicks. Di ba, Attorney
Totoo
Earl,
yan.
tsaka
Totoo.
Attorney Dong?
Oo naman,
You know,
totoo yan,
don't you miss that? Ngayon ba parang, teka muna, babawi ako. Sandali lang, I will paint the town red. May mga ganun bang pangyayari?
Oh, well, for me, I think na, well, since I had to put life on hold for bar review, parang yung mindset ko was, like during bar review, mindset ko po was parang I will paint the town red right after the bar review. But
Easy,
bar
sama kami
review,
dyan.
but bar review really takes so much energy from you. It takes so much, it takes
wala
so
ka
much
ng
out of
lakas.
you po talaga na parang right after bar review, parang yung gusto mo na lang is mag-rest. Parang you just want to like get all of the energy back. And what I did though during the post-bar season was parang nag-consume na ako ng mga culture kasi parang the entire law school parang deprived po ako of culture. Di po ako nag-movies, di po ako nagte-TV. So parang I missed out on 4 years of culture. So parang nagka-catch up lang po ako right after the bar exam.
Oo.
Yes.
Paano ba yan? After passing the bar, Attorney Earl, Attorney Dong, Attorney Ralph, what happens? After, oath-taking, syempre muna,
Yes, oo.
oath-taking.
Actually,
Gaano
Sir
katagal may
Vic, dalawa
oath-taking?
yan. May oath-taking unang-una, and then pangalawa, meron pang signing of the roll. Pipirma ang mga lawyers sa Supreme Court. Meron dun book, librong malaki.
Roll of attorneys.
Roll of attorneys, naandun yung number mo, and that number will be yours for life.
Yeah.
From the time maging lawyer ka, hanggang sa ikaw ay mawala sa mundong ito. Yan, ako ang number ko, 44403. So, kumbaga, yan na number ko for life. Hindi na mababago yan.
Oo. So,
Lahat-
ano ba yan yung...
Kada lawyer may number niya. So, yan bibigay sa kada lawyer. Nasa libro yun.
Attorney Earl, you were saying. Yan ba matagal pang mangyayari? The
Ay,
roll?
hindi. Within this time na rin yan, Sir Vic.
After
Alright.
oath-taking.
Actually, nakaschedule na taking yan nila
Yes.
Panyero Ral pa anytime.
Actually,
Kailan
on the
ba ang schedule
22nd
nyo,
pa po.
Panyero?
Kailan,
22 po. December 22 po.
Kita mo na.
Ang
mas-
pirmahan ng roll.
Ang pirmahan ng roll ata, alam ko, after mismo ng
Oh,
taking.
same day po. Same day po.
Same day.
Same day.
Kasi kami
okay.
nung araw, Sir Vic, Panyero Ral,
I-schedule pa eh.
nakasked pa kami, nakapila kami doon sa Supreme Court.
Oo nga
Tsaka
daw
nung
po.
araw,
Opo.
wala pa kaming yung cellphone na pwede mong picture on the spot. Ang
Yeah,
kumukuha
yeah,
pa
yeah.
sa amin nun, yung mga photographer talaga na di
So I
pelikula.
can imagine, Ralph, what kind of Christmas you'll be having with your family now. I mean,
Yeah.
baka magtatalong ka dyan or may girlfriend ka ba?
No, not right now.
Yeah,
Bakit
di ba?
ganun yung makakakilala kong lawyer Ang daming... sorry. Hindi. Joke lang.
Pag
So, wala
lawyer,
kang
marami.
girlfriend.
No, not now. Parang nag-rest po talaga. Parang nag-vanish po talaga ako from the social scene right after the bar. So, sobrang pagod po.
Kasi parang sinasabi nga nila, Attorney Earl, Attorney Dong, Attorney Ralph, na mas matindi raw talaga ang celebration pag ang bata ay nakapasa sa law compared to medicine.
Yes, of course.
Yes, oo.
Di ba?
Totoo.
Wala wala hindi ko naisip maging law. Lawless, oo, naisip ko. Hindi ko naisip maging law. So, anong plano mo bago magpasko? Going out? Ba't
Oh,
di ka
yes.
girlfriend?
My
Tawagan
family
mo
were
sila,
going
Attorney
on
Earl, tsaka Attorney
vacation.
Dong, mo paturo ka.
Anong regalo ni Mamit Daddy?
Yun lang.
Ang brand new Mercedes to. Kasi mahilig sa Mercedes si Daddy niyan, no?
Oo, tsaka
Eh,
sa
bakit
BM,
Mercedes lang, Ralph? Dapat
si
Defender.
Brother Jigs.
Depender.
Dapat itaasan na po yung standard for the gift, no?
Oh, okay. Ilan kayo magkakapatid, Ralph?
Tatlo po kaming
How many
magkakapatid.
lawyers?
Just me.
Just you. Ikaw ba,
Yeah,
eldest?
I'm the very first lawyer in the family.
Yes, congratulations. Galing.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah.
Grabe. Ang kaibigan natin, Attorney Dong, ang airpat niya.
Oo,
Mama?
siyempre. Ang mama niya, si Dr. Maida, tsaka ang kanyang father, si Brother Jigs, mga kaibigan natin. At tsaka ang kanyang mga uncle, no? Sila Brother Toti, sila Brother Alex, at si Brother Junjun, no?
Oh.
Tsaka si Ma'am, sa ang kanilang grandma, kaibigan din po natin.
Teka, tatanong ko lang, Attorney Earl, Attorney Dong, kay Ralph, Ano, ang lawyer ba may specialty? Criminal law, corporate? Si Ralph, ano ang hahawakan mo?
Plano niya.
Yan, ano, sige.
Well, signed na po ako sa corporate department. So for sure, at least for the first few years of practice, definitely corporate. Pero it really depends kasi sa what ends up being your experience, on what fields you end up being exposed to. Pero what I like po kasi about corporate is parang it's anything under the sun. So parang while you have different fields of law, corporate law, it can really deal with anything because corporations do all sorts of transactions. So it can really be anything under the sun. And I think that's what excites me, na parang I don't know what's coming next with corporate law.
Siguro after this interview, sabi mo, Accra pa lang ang ina-accept mo, baka tawagan ka ng San Miguel.
Hindi imposible yan, Sir Big. Sigurado, kaliwa left and right ang offer ni Panyero Ralph sa mga darating na araw na to. Ano? Yan.
Oo, alright. Well, anyway, teka muna, ano masasabi niyong tatlo? Yung pumasa na 62 years old, yung babae.
Yung
Grabe
kabats
yun, no?
ni Ralph, oo. Well, ako, in my opinion, Sir Vic, talagang ito sinasabi natin, when you dream of achieving something in your life, hindi hadlang ang edad. Kumbaga, at hindi hadlang ang mga responsibilidad sa buhay. Marami kang anak, may mga pinapaaral ka, medyo higos ka sa pera. Pero the fact na ikaw ay nangarap na maging isang abogado or kung ano man ang iyong pinangarap sa iyong buhay, makakamit mo siya talaga. Dapat talaga, magiging pursigido lang tayo at talagang tutupor natin pangarap natin. Yan ang akin
Parang
nakita
yung
dyan.
attorney earlier,
Congratulations sa kanya.
Nung batch ko, meron akong classmate, 70 plus eh.
Really?
Oh, 70 plus.
Pumasa rin siya.
Oh, pasado.
Oh,
Take
so-
one din.
so ngayon-
During my time, 20% yung passing, talagang nakalusot din siya.
So by time yan,
72 yata.
Classmate
ko.
Ako, Sir Vic, Panyero Ralph, Panyero Earl, may classmate ako si Dr. Olarte. Nung kami nag-aaral,
Taga
doktor
La
siya.
Union.
Yes, doktor siya. And then,
Taga La
nag-law
Union.
siya. Yes, lawyer. So, lawyer siya ngayon. Dr. Olarte, Leo Olarte. Oo, yun.
Oh, yeah. I
Si
know
Leo
him.
Olarte,
I know him.
classmate kayo. Sabay kayong
Ano
pumasa
siya,
ng bar noon.
doktor at
Classmate
saka
kami.
lawyer?
Yes, doktor lawyer siya. Dati siya presidente ng PMA.
Pambihira yun. Ano yun?
Oo.
Batch mo
Bobo?
pala yun.
Ano yun,
Kapag kasi
Roper?
Dr. Olarte.
Doktor at
Dr.
saka
Olarte.
abogado?
Head ng yung PMA, di ba?
Dr. Olarte, kung ikaw may nanonood sa umagang ito. Good morning.
Yeah.
Good afternoon sa'yo.
So, yung pala nga tumatawag sa'yo, Ralph, Accra.
Oh, well, I've gotten offers from other firms. There, I already signed with Accra. This was earlier this year pa po before I graduated law school.
Oo. So, meron ka bang mga classmate or kaibigan na didn't make it?
Unfortunately, yes, but it's not really about, there's no shame really in whether you make
Of
it the
course.
first time or the second time. It's really about
yes.
the journey. Everyone has a different journey to get to become a lawyer, and I think everyone who took the bar should be proud. And I think that as much as we said that this bar exam was gonna be very entry level, I think it was still a struggle of its own. So I think that everyone who poured in effort, everyone who poured in all of their heart into the bar exam, I think they should be really praised talaga, because it really is such a grueling experience. Parang you block off your life, parang you sacrifice so much. So whether you pass or not, I think it's something to be proud of.
All right. Was there ever a point during your review, during your college, law in college, meron bang time na ayoko na? Ayawa na?
Yeah,
Huwag ka na?
definitely.
Ah,
Definitely.
talaga?
I think a lot
Ano
of
yung
law
point na yon?
students
Ano
do it.
yung point na nakapag-isip ka ng ganon? What happened?
During bar review, during bar review mismo, because I would say maybe like 2 weeks before the bar, I was thinking about like if my friends would ask me a question, like a legal question, a bar question, tapos parang 2 weeks before the bar, di ko pa rin nasasagot on my own.
Oh, wow.
Parang di ko ma-pull out of my head.
Oo.
So, parang nakaka-panic din po yun na parang it's 2 weeks before the bar and I still don't know anything. Like if you ask me a question, parang di ko pa rin masagot. So it's really like parang it makes you feel like you want to give up, but really it's something that everyone experiences, and this is why I think it's important din na magka-support group during bar review. I had a study group. If I can shout out my
Yes.
study group, Zegat Dula.
Hindi yung
Nicole
no?
Hang,
Hindi yung
and
magsosolo ka
Robin
lang sa
Williams.
kwarto. Hindi yung
Yes.
magsosolo ka lang sa kwarto, aral ka ng aral. Yun ang nakakakulta ng utak di ba?
Opo. Because
Oh.
when you have a study group or a support group, parang people with shared experiences, you get to bond with them. So parang you know
Right.
that you're not going through it alone. So that's what really helped me get out of that mental state. Na parang everyone else, you can see na we're all going through the same thing, which is really nice and which helped me push forward pa.
Ako may...
Ano ang grade na nakuha mo?
I got an 88.4
88?
something.
Ako, Sir Vic, may
Nag-aaral
tanong ako kay
76,
Panyero Ralph.
Parte na ako nun eh.
May tanong ako kay Panyero Ralph.
Sige, go ahead.
Kasi nung
go ahead.
panahon
Ano
namin,
na kayo?
Panyero Ralph, wala pa ng social media, Facebook o ano. So medyo more on tuto kami talaga sa libro, papasirox kami ng mga iskara. Ito, tanong ko sa'yo, Panyero Ralph. I know that Facebook and social media medyo somehow nakaka-distract yan. Even kami lawyers,
Yes.
nakaka-distract sa trabaho yan eh. Question, Panyero Ralph. How did you, paano mo na-overcome itong fact of distraction ng social media sa'yo during the time na nag-aaral ka at nagre-review ka para nagkaroon ka talaga ng isang focus and direction sa pag-review mo at pagkuha ng bar?
Well, I had to delete all of my social media except certain apps. Like I feel like it's hard to delete everything kasi in this day and age, parang it's hard to let go. Parang the only way to connect with people is through social media. So it's really hard for me to let go. So I deleted Facebook, I deleted Twitter, I deleted Instagram. Actually, the only app that I kept was TikTok, but not because of the social media aspect. Pero, like when for example, mga 2 hours ka na nag-aaral, so you need something na parang palate cleanser. So TikTok na lang yung ginagawa ko. But like, aside from TikTok, I deleted everything. So, as in super focused na rin po. And now, you have apps on your phone. Parang nakakapag-block po sila ng mga Facebook, Twitter. So even if you don't delete, parang if you turn on those apps, parang di mo din ma-access yung social media. So having those apps really, they can be helpful.
Alright.
Okay.
So, parang ang sarap matulog ngayon, Ralph. Ano? No, ang sarap, ano?
Nakapag 8 hours na po.
Oh, okay.
So, yan, Panyero Ralph, enjoy your celebrity status.
Oo.
Starting yesterday. Sigurado yan, Panyero Ralph.
Sigurado yan si Attorney Rapi, no? Dadami ngayon yung manliligaw mo niyan. Kasi
Ayan.
alam niyo, ako during my time, no? Lahat, yung kliyente mo, may anak yan, pinsan, lahat ipapakilala sa'yo eh. Oo, hindi ka mababakante.
Oo. Hindi, alam mo, nakaka-inspire attorneys. Ang
Yes, Sir
nakaka-inspire-
Vic, talaga, very much.
Ang nakaka-serve na inspiration is that 62 years old as that, and Ralph at 24 years old as young as that. Hindi ba parang talagang I can always, get what I want dahil ito bata, ito matanda. Nanalo eh, hindi ba? So, inspirasyon kayo.
Very
Tunay
inspiring,
kayong
Sir Vic.
inspirasyon.
Tama, napakaganda inspiration.
Actually talaga, kasi hindi biro talagang pumasa ng bar exam. Kahit pa sino, kahit siguro si Panyero, no? Si Sir
Oo.
Rapi. Before tinatanong tayo nito, no? Attorney Dong, di ba? Tinatanong tayo kung pauulitin sa yung bar exam,
Ay!
uulitin mo pa ba? Ikaw ba, Rapi? Kung pauulit sa yung bar
Sige,
exam, uulit ka pa ba?
Siyempre, never again. Worst experience of my life po talaga yung bar.
May mga joke. May mga joke nga, Sir Vic, Panyero.
Operang ka ng ano?
Oo, bibigyan ka tayo ng 5 milyon, magbabar ka lang ulit. Pero pag bumagsak ka, bagsak ka. Ay, hindi na, wag na, okay lang. Wag mo na akong bigyan ng 5 milyon. Hindi na ako magbabar,
Biro mo,
okay na ako doon.
Nagre-review ka sa bar,
Napakahirap
tatawagan
mag-bar.
si Ralph ng mga barkada niya. Bro, ang lamig ng beer, ang sarap ng pulutan. Hindi ba? Hindi, nag-aaral ako eh.
Pero ito lang maganda, ito lang may experience mo dyan na Panyero Ralph, ano. Pag naglabasan na kayo mga classmate nung high school, ikaw ang palaging taya
ang taya.
dyan. Ikaw ang palaging taya dyan.
Yun
Sigurado.
lang.
Pagka magkakabunutan ng bayad, yan, bibigay yung bill ng waitress, ano. Magtitingin na lang kay Ralph yan. Si Ralph, siyempre, wala kang magagawa.
Well, we
Load
can
ka,
only wish
syempre.
you, Ralph, the best of... We can only wish you the best of everything.
Yes.
Sana, di ba? I'm sure naman you're good in life pero hanap ka ng inspirasyon, Ralph. Hanap ka.
Dadating yan, hindi mo mawala yan, Sir Vic.
Oo,
Hindi
dami
mawawala
yan. Dami yan.
Tignan mo ako. Ang inspirasyon ko. Di ba, Attorney Earl?
Hindi mauubusan yan.
Yan, di
Ano ba?
ba?
Alam mo, Sir Vic, pagka nakabasa ka ng bar, sa totoo lang, mahirap maging binata. Matatangay at matatangay ka talaga.
Talking through experience yan. Pakikinggan mo yan si Attorney Earl. Yan ang mga expertise niyan.
Mahirap maging binata yan.
Ganun ba?
Talagang yung first 3 years yan, madaming pipiliin yan.
Oo.
Tsaka ano, sa panahon ngayon ni Panyero Ralph, talagang ang karir, kaliwat kanan yan. Talagang,
Left and right.
talagang
Oo.
overwhelming ang karir mo ngayon as a lawyer. Talagang left and right ang offer mo.
Maganda rin yung may inspirasyon, di ba?
Para left and
Tama
right
ba ako?
ang career, pati chicks. Left and right. Oo.
Ikaw no,
Tingnan
Panyero,
mo,
palagi,
pare.
palagi mo na pinapasok yung chicks
Hindi
eh.
pare, tayo ordinaryong pumasa lang tayo ng bar. What more pa yung top
Ay,
notcher?
siyempre, oo.
Diba?
Ikaw nga, Sir Vic, pumasa ka lang ng bar, hindi ka naman top notcher.
1 million pogi points na eh.
Nung bago akong pasa nun, paglabas ko ng
Hindi ko
subdivision
na kailangan
namin.
pumasa ng bar. Hindi ko na kailangan pumasa ng bar. Di ba?
Sir
Alam
Vic.
ni Atty. Earl yan, hindi ba? I'm always inspired. Tama, Atty. Earl?
Yes.
Yan, oo, di ba?
Pinuro ko na sa'yo eh. Okay. Ralph, thank you so much, ha?
Last word natin kay
Sige.
kay Panyero
Ralph,
Ralph. Ano ang
sige nga.
iyong masasabi sa mga
Hindi,
nangyari?
well, advice din sa mga kukuha rin ng
Yan,
bar.
yun ang gusto namin
Oo,
marinig from.
Yung advice niya, paano mag-aral.
Direct from the
paano-
top notcher,
Okay.
yan. Sige. Marami nag-aabang
All I
na
can
mga
say-
advice mo.
All I can say is fortune favors the brave. So just do it. You know, just you know what to do. Actually, everyone, we've all gone through law school, so we know exactly what to do. It's just a matter of applying. So I think that's the best advice I could give to anyone who wants to take the bar.
Well, isa na lang akong tanong, Sir Vic, no?
Sige.
Pahabol pa.
Paano ba sumagot sa bar questions ang isang bar top notcher? Kasi baka ano ba yung pagkukulang tayo, hindi tayo nag-top eh.
Oo nga eh. Baka malay mo, kung ginaya natin yung style ni Panyero Ralph,
Oo.
eh, baka
paano ba sumagot ang isang bar
Ano
top
ba
notcher
ang
sa
mga
questions?
tanong doon?
Oo.
Essay form o multiple choice?
Hindi,
o
essay
essay
yun.
form siya, Sir Vic.
Essay form po
oh.
siya.
Paano ba sumagot? Paano ba ang approach ng isang bar top notcher?
Ayan, parang tip sa mga magbabar.
Well, yung for when you draft your answer, yung tinuturo po sa amin is you start with yung, di ba, it's, yung question usually yes or no lang naman po siya. So, you start with yes, and then you put the legal basis and then the application of the legal basis. Tapos you repeat lang po yung question in sentence form.
Yeah.
So, para straightforward na po siya,
Straightforward,
especially
tama.
since the examiners, they only have very little time to check. So, parang straightforward na po yung answer.
Actually, ganyan din ang...
Same thing, eh,
Same
diba?
din. Although, siyempre, yung level mo talaga iba, di ba?
Oo.
Yung sagutan mo, pantap
Ginawa
na...
rin natin yun eh.
Pantap notcher talaga kami. Kahit anong pilit namin pagandahin, talagang pampasado lang talaga.
Oo, pasado lang.
Pantap notcher ka talaga, Panyero Ralph. Talagang iba. Iba level.
Oo.
And,
Thank you.
yan.
Oy,
Congrats,
pagdating mo naman,
Ralph.
Ralph, yung
Congrats.
parents mo. I'm sure nandiyan sila.
Oo nga pala,
nagluluto
ang-
ng tanghalian.
Oh, mga parents mo, sila tito mo, tsaka yung lola. You can greet
Yeah.
them now. Sige, please. Your aunties.
Yeah, so thank you to my parents. It really takes a village to get here. So thank you to my mom, Maida Samaniego, and my dad, Jig Samaniego. It really supported me throughout my entire journey, and I really couldn't have done it without them, without my friends, and without
Correct.
everyone who helped me, supported me throughout this whole bar journey.
Ang galing. Ang
Galing,
galing.
galing. Very
Thank you,
inspiring
thank
talaga.
you.
Very inspiring.
Thank
Super.
you.
Very inspiring. Thank you, Ralph.
Thank you,
God
Ralph.
Thank you for having me. Thank you for having
Wishing
me.
you all the best, Panyero Ralph. And
See you in court.
congrats again. Oo. Congrats again. Oo.
Thank you,
See you in
thank you.
court. Sabi ganun.
Sige, salamat.
Regards na lang kay
Okay.
mama at papa and of course to your uncles, auntie, and to your
Ralph,
grandma.
tama yan. Inuman na!
Yes.
Diba? Sarap, ano? Number 6. Hindi ba? Kilala mo ba yung mga nag-top 1, 2, 3, 4? Hindi naman. Hindi mo
Oh
sila kilala.
no. Yung mga yung mga 15 to 20 siguro, sila pa yung mga kilala ko.
Okay. Sige, thank you, Ralph. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Rafi.
Thank you very
All
much,
right.
Ralph, Panyero Ralph, and good day.
Ano?
Congrats again.
Yeah. Anyway, babalik ko
you.
kami ha, ni Attorney Dong at ni Attorney Earl. Wag ko kayong alis. Baka may mga caller tayo dyan ha. Tuloy pa rin natin yung mga caller hanggang aabutin ng oras natin. We will be right back. It's 1:38 ng hapon.
Panatilihing masaya